Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Yoshi from Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the center of our page, and we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the nose. Let's draw on the nostrils coming down, splitting in half, curving this around, bringing that back in. Let's split the eyes in half. We're going to draw in a straight line in the center. We'll curve this around, tucking that in on the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Stepping in now, let's draw in the pupils. So drawing in an arch line. Let's add in our highlights. We're going to draw in a circle on the top. Let's color in the rest of the eye black. Let's add the eyelids, stepping up. We're going to curve that over and out on the side. Let's round out Yoshi's cheeks here. So from that corner, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back in. Let's move in behind, curving this up. Let's come down now for the arms. So we're going to curve this around and in. Now for the pinky, just curving this down and through. Stepping in towards the center, curving this out again. Moving up, rounding this out, curving this over and back down. Now for the thumb, stepping underneath, curving this around and in. Let's close off the steering wheel. So underneath, just arching this out. Moving up, replicating that again. And then closing off the center of the torso, just tucking these lines in. Let's draw on the kart in the front. So stepping down underneath the hand, we're going to curve this line across. Continuing that steering wheel up above, arching this line over in the middle. And then we'll draw in two straight lines coming in towards the top. And then we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out on both sides. Let's step out now on the left. We're going to curve this down to the bottom, replicating that on the right. Let's close this off underneath with a curved line. Let's step up. We're going to arch this down to the bottom on both sides. Let's draw on the egg symbol right in the middle here. So we're going to draw in an oval that gets wider at the base and then slightly skinnier as we tuck that in on the top. Let's draw in a circle right above here now. We'll draw in a slight oval on the right on a diagonal. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's continue to close off the rest of the cart. So stepping up, we're going to curve this out on both sides. We're going to round out the front, so we're going to curve this out, down, flattening that out, pulling that into the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now underneath here, curving this down and up, replicating this on the right-hand side. Let's draw on the petal, stepping up, curving that over and in. Let's round out the foot. So we're going to arch this up and through towards the top. Stepping down on this, we're going to curve this back in for the bottom of the shoe. For the leg here, we're just going to round this out, curving this over and in. And now behind for the leg, just rounding that out, curving that up. Moving in behind here now, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on either side. We're going to curve this around on the top. And then we'll just pull this back in on a diagonal. Let's add in the tires now. So underneath, curving this line out. We're going to round this out on the side, curving that in. Now from here, we're going to round this out, curving this over and through to our shoe. Let's close off the inside of the tire, just rounding that out, pulling that down. And we'll draw in a small curved line right in the center. Now we're going to draw in the stripes on the tire. So right in the middle, we're going to follow that shape, curving this down. Let's step in, replicating that, pulling that up to the top. And then stepping out, replicating that one more time, curving that in. Moving in towards the middle, we're going to bring this line up and over. And now let's draw in that back tire. So we're going to again curve this up, flattening that out, pulling that in. In the center here, arching that up and over. Stepping into the middle, replicating that again. And then one more time as we come out. And that is it. That's how you draw Yoshi from Mario Kart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.